Hello and welcome. My name's Stewart and I'm the National Sales Manager here at CFI Global. As you can see, we're currently standing in our warehouse in Sunshine West, Victoria, Australia, with a very special announcement. Today we are announcing that we have been chosen by Newland AIDC as a distributor for Newland products throughout Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific Islands. For a little bit of background on Newland AIDC, they have over 20 years of research and development, designing and manufacturing of AIDC products, and now moving into the Southern Hemisphere. As you can see, we've got plenty of room in our warehouse. We're about to receive our first shipment of stock, so if you have projects that you would like to partner with a distributor and a great manufacturer, please contact us at sales@cfiglobal.com.au. Thank you, and we look forward to assisting you win your projects.